So guys, what I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV via optical cable. Optical cable is included in the packaging. So what you need to do is unplug the soundbar, take your optical cable, you go at the back port where it's written optical, push the cable inside and it's in. Now we need to take this end of, we need to take the other end of the cable, the TV. So go to the back of your TV where it's written digital, optical, digital audio, and it's in optical, digital audio. So push the cable in, put the cable inside it. Now plug the TV on, plug the soundbar and the subwoofer to the power. Now the next thing you need to do, you need to select the input to optical OPT. So use the input to select OPT optical. Now the next thing to do is you need to switch the TV on. This is the TV audio. Okay, what we need to do is you need to go to your TV settings. Okay, go to your TV settings, scroll down to the sound, and you can see it's showing us TV, sound out, TV speaker. You need to select on it, scroll to the side to optical out device, select on it. This is now connected, and when it's in optical, what you need to do is you need to use the soundbar remote control to increase the volume. But when you check here is optical out device, I'm going to move this from here, okay, so that I can increase the volume.
We've obviously had really sort of sub-zero.
And when it's in optical, then you increase the volume using soundbar remote control.
We're not getting frost so much.
So guys, what I want to do now is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV using HDMI cable. HDMI cable is included in the packaging, but I want to use my own. This is HDMI cable, is included in the packaging. And to connect this to your TV, what you need to do is you need to take this cable, go to the back. Okay, so go to where it's written HDMI out, EAC. So push the cable inside, HDMI out, EAC. Now take the other end of the cable, go to back of your TV, where it's written HDMI into EAC. Push it inside and it's in HDMI to in EAC. Okay, connect the other cable to it. Now the next thing to do is you need to plug the soundbar on, plug the TV to the power, and also plug the subwoofer to the power. Now use the remote control to select the input, to ACK. Now switch the TV on. This is actually connected. What I want us to do is we need to go to the TV settings, scroll down to the sound, and it's showing us now HDMI ACK device. You need to select on it. If you are doing this for the first time, okay, you need to select. If it's not in HDMI, you need to scroll to the side and look where it's written HDMI ACK. Then you need to select on it. Once you scroll down to the sound, you need to select the sound, and depending on the connection you are using, then you need to scroll to the side where it's written HDMI. You can see optical, Bluetooth, HDMI ACK device. You need to select on it. Okay, and this soundbar now is connected via HDMI ACK. Okay, then you can increase the volume using the TV remote or soundbar remote control
to go all the way to the final.
So guys, what I want to do now is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your TV via Bluetooth. What you need to do is you need to switch the soundbar on and it will show you hello. Then select BT. Once you select, use the remote control to select BT or use the input to select BT, it will show you no BT. Now the next thing to do, you need to switch your TV on. Now go to your TV settings, use the gear button to select the TV settings. Scroll down to the sound, select on the sound and go to Bluetooth and devices. Bluetooth and devices, scroll down to search for device list, select enter and they will start to look for available device. So now it's looking for available device and here we go. Hisense AX3120G is available. You need to select on it and it's connected.
Do something about it.
This,
as kids start to say,
here we go.
Shrug our shoulders.
This is the audio.
It's very important.
And when it's in the Bluetooth, you can control the volume using the TV remote, likewise soundbar remote. So from this remote control, you switch this soundbar on and off. This button here is input. You select optical, auxi, USB, HDMI from this button, and this is Bluetooth. This button here is surround, and this button here is preset. It will show you equal. Use equal to select music, game, news, sports, and it is night, AI, movie, music. So use equal to select this. Up and down, you see volume plus and volume minus is for you to increase the volume and decrease the volume. The side button, if you are listening to music, then for you to go forward to the next track or go backwards to the next track. The center one is pause and play. This button here is increase the bars. The maximum bars is +5. The minimum bars is -5. So the maximum is +5. Also the center one is treble. The maximum one is +5. The minimum treble is -5. Then this button here is dimmer. You select minus, you won't see the information here. If you select plus, okay, if you want to the information back, then you need to press plus for you to see the information from the dimmer. And this button here is mute. The center one is pause and play. So guys, this is how to connect this to your TV. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Thank you.